A Walmart app login failure is usually caused by an incorrect password, an outdated app, a network problem, or a temporary issue with Walmart's authentication servers, rather than a permanently locked account. By the end of this video, you'll know how to identify the cause and get back into your Walmart account as quickly as possible. Start with the simplest check. Make sure you're entering the correct email address and password. If your phone automatically fills in your login details, delete the saved password and type it manually. Autofill can sometimes use an old password after you've changed it. If you're unsure about your password, tap I forgot password on the login screen and follow the reset process. Once you've created a new password, close the Walmart app completely before trying to sign in again. Next, update the Walmart app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Older versions can have compatibility issues after Walmart updates its login system. After updating, restart your phone and try signing in again. Now check your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to Wi-Fi. A weak or unstable connection can prevent the app from completing the login request, even if your credentials are correct. If the problem continues, test your account in a web browser. Go to Walmart's website and sign in there. If the website works but the app doesn't, you've confirmed the issue is with the app instead of your account. Another common fix is clearing the app's temporary data. On Android, clear the Walmart app cache from your phone's app settings. If you're using an iPhone, uninstall the app and reinstall it to remove corrupted temporary files. If you've recently changed your email address or password, make sure you're using the updated information on every device. Signing in with an older password on another phone or tablet won't update automatically. You should also check whether your phone's date and time are set to update automatically. Incorrect system time can interfere with secure authentication for some apps. If none of these steps solve the problem, wait a little while and try again. Temporary server issues can prevent logins even when everything on your device is configured correctly. Finally, contact Walmart customer care if you can sign in on neither the app nor the website after resetting your password. They can verify whether your account requires additional security verification or if there's an account-specific issue. The fastest fixes are resetting your password, updating the Walmart app, testing your login on the website, and reinstalling the app if necessary. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials.